Let's be honest. At some point, your grade slipped. You stare at the paper in your hand. That red F isn't just ink, it's a verdict, a warning, a mirror. And for a moment, everything feels heavier. Your chest, your thoughts, your future. You tell yourself it's temporary, just one bad grade, just one rough week. But the truth echoes louder. You've been drifting. Assignments stack up like silent accusations. Missing, late. Your phone glows brighter than your ambition. Hours disappear into scrolling. The desk is cluttered. Your mind is worse. And somewhere in the quiet, a dangerous belief starts forming. Maybe this is just who you are now. No. This is not who you are. This is who you've been behaving like. And that can change. You stand up, not dramatically, not loudly, but decisively. Enough waiting for motivation, enough negotiating with comfort, enough pretending tomorrow will fix what today keeps breaking. You open a notebook, you write it down, 90 days. Not a wish, not a fantasy, a deadline. 90 days to rebuild discipline, 90 days to repair your grades, 90 days to reclaim your focus and your identity. You confront reality head on. You calculate your averages. You circle your weakest subjects. You study your mistakes like a strategist reviewing battle footage. No excuses, no blaming teachers, no blaming the system. Ownership is power. Then you set your rules. 2 focused study blocks per day. Active recall, not passive reading. Daily revision of your weakest subject. Simple, ruthless, non-negotiable. The first session feels uncomfortable. Your brain fights back. It craves dopamine. It wants noise. It wants escape. But you stay seated. You lean into the resistance. Because this discomfort, this is growth being born. The phone goes off. Into the drawer. Silence. And in that silence, something powerful happens. Your mind sharpens. Minutes stretch longer. You begin to remember what deep focus feels like. Days pass. Day 1, day 7, day 15. No fireworks, no dramatic transformation, just quiet consistency. But beneath the surface, momentum is building like pressure behind a dam. Then comes the dip, week 5. You wake up tired, you miss a session, doubt creeps in like fog, the old voice returns. You always fall off, this won't last. This is the moment most students lose. But this time, you don't collapse. You reset. No guilt spiral, no self-pity. You sit back down, you reopen the book. Because a comeback isn't about never falling. It's about how fast you rise. And then it happens. Studying feels smoother. Concepts connect faster. You start answering questions without panic. Confidence doesn't explode. It grows. Steady. Earned. Exam season arrives. The room is tense, pages flipping, eyes wide with fear. But you sit still, calm, grounded. Because while they were cramming, you were compounding. While they hoped for miracles, you built systems. You don't need luck, you built leverage. The results come back. This time, the paper tells a different story. Strong grades, visible improvement. Not perfect, but powerful. Evidence that discipline works, evidence that you changed. And now you stand taller. Same hoodie, same face, different standard. 90 days ago, you felt behind. Today, you feel in control. This was your comeback arc. Not loud, not flashy, but relentless. And it began the moment you stopped asking, "Do I feel like studying?" and started saying, "It's time."